Ashley. Okay, Ashley, all right.
Huh? Get your good side? Alright. So, it is July 2nd. It's gonna be my first little YouTube video, you know, whatever. That's the Trokita.
What the fuck is that?
Alright, guys.
Oh, I thought you picked the thing.
What? No, I didn't. I have to order some. This is my Trokita. His name is No Face. He's got no gender. You know, if y'all have seen the movie Spirited Away. Oh, I still gotta get used to this camera. I don't know. Really dirty bed.
So you making videos?
Yeah, I am.
So
I want to start like, this will be the first one on the channel. Like just little overview of the Trokita.
before and after?
Yeah, before and after. Y'all see this. The leaf springs are orange. I'm gonna change them out. Yeah. The Jetta. Okay. So, reason why I'm making a video is because it's gonna be the start. Okay, you gotta jiggle. My rebuild kit came in the mail today. Brian came over to see how it looks like. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Just start. Ah, I'm dirty.
I hope it's all original. I'll put it back in the bed.
It's dirty. Here's the camera. It's thick. It's nothing major right now. I don't have anything to like open it right now. I ordered it Friday.
Yeah?
And then
Let's see. It comes at least with good gaskets.
Let's see. So I don't know much about cars, but I'm gonna learn on the, like I've been learning past couple months. I've been wanting to learn more. I got the Trokita, and it'll be like my start because I really love this truck. But it's smoking a lot.
Work in progress, actually.
Work in progress, right? Oh.
Oh shit. It's not even my parts. Fuck it.
It is hot.
This is a Nissan pickup.
It's a 95 Hardbody.
Holy shit.
What?
No, it's not bad. No. They're decent.
It's something.
Yeah, they'll work.
I just don't want it to smoke anymore and just be healthy again. Healthy to begin with, because I just bought it. I bought the truck $420.
It looks like it's legit parts too. You gotta make sure you don't fuck up none of these rings, because replacing them would be. But no, we got somewhere you can replace them. They're pretty close.
You should have opened the open this so it wouldn't be like on the edge.
True.
Yeah. I don't even have a stand for my camera. It's all. I'm gonna get everything. Sukmyashley _ Sukmyashley. And my other Instagram is Ashley's Thug Life with the LYFE in the name. That's my main one, but this one's gonna be Sukmyashley_ is gonna be for the truck, and it's gonna be it's been my business account for my couponing. So I've been wanting to get into it. If I could do couponing, I could learn. I'm a quick learner, ¿verdad? ¿Ah? And wow. There's a water pump?
Yeah. You know, from the skirts. That's a pretty cool kit. I'm not gonna lie.
It wasn't that expensive. I love that.
Yeah.
Like, if it was for the Jetta, I was so surprised. You know, my first car was my Volkswagen Jetta. This is the second Jetta that I have. But, the first one, the engine locked up on me. I took it to a mechanic to fix an oil leak and change the gaskets, all that. He returned it to me saying that I should drive it a couple more miles to see if the check engine light would come on, because I had him replace the sensors too. And I wasn't even out of his lot. I was barely gonna pull out of his lot. He had said that he drove it like 20 miles. I was like, okay, I'll drive it a little bit more. I gotta go do something real quick. Not even out of his lot, and it just dies on me. No noise, nothing. The engine just dies. I tried turning it over. The battery of course works. It turns over, but it doesn't turn on. And I was so mad. I didn't know what to do. So my dad, he was just like, well, that's it, Ashley. And I was like, oh my gosh. So that happened in August, the end of August, because my mom's birthday is in August and it was under her name. So I was like, oh gosh. I was hoping to have the check engine off, engine light off, so I could go get the emissions on it and then, you know, get everything renewed. But nope. So it was basically September until November 18th when I got the other Jetta. It's 1 year newer. It's 2009 Jetta. It's the Wolfsburg edition 2.0 turbo, and I love it. I got the same one. Yeah. Well, Brian, I hope. A ver?
Always, we're missing a torque wrench.
I'll get that. My friend has one. It'll open. It'd be like getting stuck. Okay. It's in the middle. Maybe.
Okay. Easy rebuild.
My friend also has a cherry picker.
Really?
So just already like we could open up the backyard, and we could actually drive the truck since it's still running and everything.
Yeah.
In the backyard on the cement, and then I was thinking like so it won't be so messy.
Yeah.
Poner tarpa and drive over it. So my mom won't come.
Cardboard in the bottom.
Yeah.
The lona, put more cardboard. In the case, we got a pressure washer and
yeah.
purple power.
So it's a KA24E. Wow. Single cam. But yeah, and we could focus on that. I want to delete all of this, and then paint the engine bay.
Yeah.
Purple.
Purple.
And then I wanted to go to make vents.
Yeah.
On the top, because it be getting hot. You feel it?
2 vents right here.
I wasn't even, yeah.
Oh, right here? Well, it needs to be flat.
No, it didn't bump.
Yeah. No, the middle one is perfect.
Yeah, I want the middle.
Yeah.
Be looking nice. Let's see. it's spray painted. You can see that. But that'd be like,
Budget then.
yeah.
So
And then I do want to make a give it a paint job.
with rattle cans?
No, actual paint job.
Fuck it.
Oh, and then inside, what I want to do is well, this obviously is coming down and everything. I want to take this out, all of this, and then paint inside with no face. Like probably him being this his figure right here in the middle, and then like the rest having like just around him revolving like purplish themed with estrellitas y todo. I don't know. I just have that pictured in my mind. Because as soon as I saw the truck before buying it, I had like no face is a thing. I fuck with no face. The only thing I've done on the truck is basically just getting the new tail lights, the new radiator. We switched out because when I first got it, it was like leaking really bad.
You know what you need too?
Yeah.
The wipers.
Oh yeah, new ones? Definitely. I'm so glad it hasn't been raining. And then I got the new windshield courtesy to Kenny. It was a birthday gift. It was cracked in the middle. It was horrible. It was horrible. I was always scared that I was going to get pulled over for it and get a ticket. But my birthday was May 28th, and he ended up getting me the windshield a couple days after that. Shout out to my neighbor, actually. He's the one I called, and he's known me since I was little. I got them last week. He had the tire plug, and he put them on. And then the wheels, they're plastic dip. I like them a lot. But since I was gonna start all over with the truck, I wanted to get some new ones. But I like them.
Check this out.
What's up? I wanted to look how fucking low that is. I have to tighten them. But I was thinking, like, cause the ride is really bouncy. Getting new leaf springs, so it'd be like a stiffer ride. But I don't know. For now, I wanted to just spray paint these. This is so beautiful. It's so crazy how I got this T6. I'm using a T6. I'm still learning it. But I got this, like the whole kit, for $117. The whole kit. Because it's going on clearance, and you know, I do retail arbitrage. I do all of this stuff. I do a lot of things. So this is just going to be like an added bucket list. Actually making my truck look how I really want it to look, and it's just like different content. So this is gonna be on the channel. It'll be like just random things, me couponing scenarios, how my couponing goes, how the truck build goes, how the
I need the straw.
Okay, take the straw.
You know, we didn't have a long straw. Look.
I don't know where I got that straw from.
Probably solid.
But yeah. What do you think, Brian?
Take a while, but
It's worth it, ain't it?
it'll get done.
I should suspend the plate and everything, suspend it off my insurance, and then when it's ready, just put it back.
Yeah. Fuck you, brother. Girl, no insurance.
Fuck it.
I'm just kidding, don't do that.
I mean, I was driving the Jetta like that for a little bit because I didn't it wasn't ready, and I really wanted to drive it.
Alright.
Let's see. I really want to fix the bed too. It's so ugly and scratched up. But yeah. I love how this camera like looks. So beautiful. Hey, wow. But yeah, this is just gonna be the first video on the channel that's starting everything. Or you can hold it. I'm like sweaty because it's really hot. But I just got off work. You know me, not matching at all. Like really sweaty. But yeah. It's the start. I'm Ashley, and yeah. That's progress. I'll figure out. I'm gonna actually get this and I'm gonna edit it. And see. I could do everything. But yeah, say bye, Brian.
Bye.
Bye.